Hello students, next example on linear transformation. First example is, let S equal to set of u1 bar u2 bar be a basis for R2, where u1 equal to -1 1 and u2 equal to 3 -1. Let T mapping R2 to R3 be a linear transformation such that T of u1 equal to 1 1 2 and T of u2 equal to -2 0 1. Find the formula for T. First, to find formula for T, consider element from R2, means let consider AB belongs to R2 such that actually we want to see one remark for this example. Just a minute. For this example, first note, suppose T mapping V to W is a linear transformation and S equal to u1 bar u2 bar and so on un bar is a basis for V. Suppose the image of the basis vectors are given as T of u1 bar equal to w1 bar, T of u2 bar equal to w2 bar and so on T of un bar equal to wn bar. Then image of any vector u bar belongs to V. It can be written in the form of, here V is vector space and S equal to u1 bar u2 bar and so on un bar is a basis for V. So u bar is in the linear combination of k1 u1 bar plus k2 u2 bar plus and so on plus kn un bar. Now apply T on both sides. We get T of u bar equal to T of k1 u1 bar plus k2 u2 bar plus and so on plus kn un bar. Given T is a linear transformation, means T is linear, so T of k1 u1 bar plus T of k2 u2 bar plus and so on plus T of kn un bar. T is a linear transformation, so T of k into u equal to k into T of u. We apply second property. For this we get k1 into T of u1 bar plus k2 into T of u2 bar plus and so on plus kn into T of un bar equal to k1 T of u1 bar equal to w1 bar plus k2 T of u2 bar equal to w2 bar plus and so on plus kn T of un bar is wn bar. So image of the element of V is in the form of T of u bar equal to k1 w1 bar plus k2 w2 bar plus and so on plus kn wn bar. Now this note we apply for this example. We have T mapping R2 to R3. We take AB belongs to R2. Now write AB is in the linear combination of k1 into u1 bar plus k2 into u2 bar. u1 u2 bar is a basis for R2. Now AB equal to k1 u1 bar is -1 1, u2 bar is 3 -1. -1 1 plus k2 into u2 bar is 3 -1. Now first find values of k1 k2. We get, to find k1 k2, first simplify this term. We get minus k1 plus 3k2 minus k2. Add, we get minus k1 plus 3k2, k1 minus k2. Now comparing these two, we get minus k1 plus 3k2 equal to A, k1 minus k2 equal to B. Now add these two equations, we get k1 minus k1 get cancel, 3 k2 minus k2, 2 k2 equal to A plus B, which implies k2 equal to A plus B upon 2. Now to find k1, put value of k2 in this equation, we get, put k2 equal to A plus B upon 2. Value of k2 we put in this equation or in this equation. We put k2 in minus k1 plus 3k2 equal to A. Means minus k1 equal to A minus 3k2. A minus 3k2 is A plus B upon 2. Now 2A minus 3A minus 3B upon 2, we get minus A minus 3B upon 2. So here minus k1 equal to minus A minus 3B upon 2, which implies k1 equal to A plus 3B upon 2. So we get k1 equal to A plus 3B upon 2, k2 equal to A plus B upon 2. We have AB equal to k1 minus 1 1 plus k2 3 minus 1. Now apply T on both sides, we get T of AB equal to T of k1 minus 1 1 plus k2 3 minus 1. T is a linear transformation, so T of k1 minus 1 1 plus T of k2 3 minus 1. Also by scalar multiplication, we get k1 T of minus 1 1 plus k2 T of 3 minus 1. k1 is A plus 3B upon 2 and T of minus 1 1 is here T of u1 means T of minus 1 1 is 1 1 2. 1 1 2 plus k2 is A plus B upon 2. u2 is 3 minus 1, so T of 3 minus 1 equal to minus 2 0 1. Minus 2 0 1. Now add these two, we get A plus 3B upon 2, A plus 3B upon 2 plus 2 to get cancel, A plus 3B plus minus 2 to get cancel, A plus B 0, A plus B upon 2. When we add these two, we get T of AB equal to minus A plus B upon 2, A plus 3B upon 2, 3A plus 7B upon 2. So definition or formula for T is nothing but T of AB equal to minus A plus B upon 2, A plus 3B upon 2, 3A plus 7B upon 2. Now next example, let S equal to set of minus 1 plus x, 2x plus x square, 1 minus x square be a basis for P2. If T mapping P2 to R2 is a linear transformation defined on the basis vectors as T of minus 1 plus x equal to 2 minus 1, T of 2x plus x square equal to 1 1 and T of 1 minus x square equal to 0 minus 3. Then compute T of 1 minus x minus 3x square. First, T mapping P2 to R2 is a linear transformation and 1 minus x minus 3x square belongs to P2 and basis for P2 is minus 1 plus x, 2x plus x square, 1 minus x square. So by definition of basis, every vector of P2 is in the linear combination of these three vectors. So 1 minus x minus 3x square is in the linear combination of minus 1 plus x, 2x plus x square and 1 minus x square. Now to find values of k1, k2, k3, simplifying this term we get minus k1 plus, now for x, k1 plus 2k2 x plus x square is k2 minus k3 x square. Now comparing the coefficient of x, x square and the constant terms, we get minus k1 equal to 1, which implies k1 equal to minus 1, and k1 plus 2k2 is something wrong. 1 minus x square minus 1 plus x. So constant term is minus k1 plus k3. So this is not the value. First write the equations. Minus k1 plus k3 equal to 1. k1 plus 2k2 equal to minus 1. k2 minus k3 equal to minus 3. K2 equal to Now these two equations k1 k2 and k2 k3, here k1 k3, when we put value of k1 in this equation, we get this equation in the form of k2 k3. Then we simplifying simultaneously these two equations, we get values of k2 and k3. So put minus k1 equal to minus 1 minus k3, which implies k1 equal to minus 1 plus k3. Put k1 equal to minus 1 plus k3 in k1 plus 2k2 equal to minus 1. So we get minus 1 plus k3 plus 2k2 equal to minus 1. So k3 plus 2k2 equal to 0. And next equation is k2 minus k3 equal to minus 3. Now arrange this term, we get k3 plus 2k2 equal to 0. And this equation is minus k3 plus k2 equal to minus 3. k3 k3 get cancelled. 2k2 plus k2 is 3k2 minus 3, which implies k2 equal to minus 1. Put k2 equal to minus 1 in k1 plus 2k2 equal to minus 1. We get k1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, k1 equal to minus 1 plus 2 equal to plus 1. So k1 equal to plus 1. Put k1 equal to 1 in this equation, k1 equal to minus 1 plus k3. We get value of k3, 1 plus 1 equal to k3, which implies k3 equal to 2. So we have k1 equal to 1, k2 equal to minus 1, k3 equal to 2. Put these values in this equation. 1 minus x minus 3x square equal to k1 minus 1 plus x plus k2 2x plus x square plus k3 1 minus x square. Apply t on both sides. We get k1 3 minus 1 plus x plus k2 t of 2x plus x square plus k3 t of 1 minus x square, which is equal to k1. k1 is 1 and t of minus 1 plus x is 2 minus 1 plus k2 is minus 1. t of 2x plus x square is 1 plus k3 is 2. t of 1 minus x square is 0 minus 3, which is equal to 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 1 plus 0 minus 6. We get 2 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 6 equal to 1 minus 8. So value of t of 1 minus x minus 3x square equal to 1 minus 8. Next example, if E1 bar, E2 bar, E3 bar is a standard basis of R3 and if T mapping R3 to R3 be a linear transformation such that T of E3 equal to 2E1 plus 3E2 plus 5E3, T of E2 plus E3 equal to E1, T of E1 plus E2 plus E3 equal to E2 minus E3. Compute T of E1 plus 2E2 plus 3E3. Given T mapping R3 to R3 is a linear transformation and E1, E2, E3 is a standard basis of R3. We know that standard basis of R3 are nothing but the 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now take E1 equal to 1 0 0, E2 equal to 0 1 0 and E3 equal to 0 0 1. To find T of E1 plus 2E2 plus 3E3, E1 plus 2E2 plus 3E3 can be write in the form of E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E2 plus E3 plus E3, E1, 2E2, 3E3. So apply T on both sides, we get T of E1 plus 2E2 plus 3E3 equal to T of E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus T of E2 plus E3 plus T of E3. Here we direct apply T. Now given T of E1 plus E2 E3 is E2 minus E3 plus T of E2 plus E3 is E1 plus T of E3 is 2E1 plus 3E2 plus 5E3. 2E1 plus 3E2 plus 5E3. Simplifying this, we get 4E2 minus E3 plus 5E3 is 4E3 plus 3E1 means 3E1 plus 4E2 plus 4E3, where E1 is 1 0 0 plus 4E2 is 0 1 0 plus 4E3 is 0 0 1. We get 3 0 0 plus 0 4 0 plus 0 0 4. Now add this, we get 3 4 4. So value of T of E1 plus 2E2 plus 3E3 is 3 4 4. Here we stop.